Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to learn pointillism with acrylic colors on canvas. This is a very beautiful technique. If you like this technique, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone. So without further ado, let's get started. First we need to trace this goldfish, or you can make it freehand. These are the brushes we are gonna use. This is a stencil brush which we'll be using. This artwork has actually taken me almost 4 hours, which I have wrapped up around 12 minutes for you guys. It's a fast forward action. This art requires lots of patience. Now we are going to use stencil brush, which will make our task little faster. If you don't have stencil brush, you can use flat brush whose bristles are heavy. So don't throw your brushes even if they are spoiled. You can use it in such techniques. Just you have to dip it in color and tap it very gently. Don't take too much of color. If too much color comes, first you have to tap it on the palette and then apply it on your canvas. Don't directly apply, otherwise there will be a blob and it will not look like dots. So don't do that mistake. Let me explain you what is pointillism. It is a sophisticated pictorial technique of painting in which small distinct colors of dots are applied in pattern to form an image. You can see how these dots will gradually combine to form a very soothing image, and we will be giving it the 3D effect. The idea behind pointillism is that when you place two distinct colors next to each other, the color will optically blend to form a different color. So oftentimes pointillism is confused with stippling, but stippling is a different technique. In stippling, we use multiple dots of monochrome or tones of black and white to create an image. But in pointillism, usually we go with the colors which are applied in pattern to form an image. Now I am applying dark green color. You can see how gently I am placing the dots just by tapping it. You don't need to apply extra pressure. Now I am using again round brush 0 to give the dots. Here we have to focus a lot on which place will have closer dots and which place will have dots which are widely spread. So just go step by step and you will come to know that how we need to work. Now I have taken red color in my brush and applying dots. We are creating these dots to create the illusion of actual image. If we will see it from far, we can see that it is like optical mixing of colors to create this goldfish. Here we can see that the more we mix colors, the less saturated our image becomes, and the result will be a stunning vibration between the different colors. And this you will not come to know now. You have to wait till the end to see the final results. Can you see how slowly we have to work, how patiently we need to work? It's very soothing, guys. I am telling you, I have thoroughly enjoyed making this art form. If you find it difficult to make this art form with the brush and on canvas, then you can just select sketch pens and make it on paper for practice. Once you are acquired with the technique, then you can use brushes, because it is little difficult for beginners to directly go with the brushes on canvas. This piece of art took me almost 4 hours to complete, which I have wrapped up for you. in little fast forward motion, otherwise it is much slower than what you are seeing here. So make your mind that you need to invest little time to make this art. Now see how we are creating the illusion. कैसे हम लोग उसको लाइट और डार्क का इफेक्ट दे रहे हैं. Guys, can you see the magic of dots? Even they have the power to create stunning artwork. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, grab your supplies and start. Studies has shown that while creating art, it stimulates the release of dopamine. You must have heard this name. Actually, this is a chemical which is released when we do something pleasurable, and it basically makes us happier. So increased level of this helps us to fight anxiety and depression. In this fast moving world, it's normal for us to feel anxious about small things also. So art is a really helpful, scientifically proven method to feel self-accomplished and confident. It helps you to improve your concentration. Now again I have taken my stencil brush and applied the red color dots. See, wherever we have the dots in to create the darker effect, that time we will be using our stencil brush or the flat brush, and whenever we want that lighter effect, just the reflection type of thing, that time we will be using our 0 number brush. Now we will be doing the eyes portion, so I have zoomed it in. This also we will be making with the dots only. You have to be really patient to do this art, guys. अगर आपके अंदर पेशेंस नहीं है तो you will not be able to complete it. पर अगर आपको अपना पेशेंस डेवलप करना है, if you want to develop your patience, then also I'll suggest that go for this art. It will definitely help you to improve your patience level. And we have very minute detailing which we have to keep in mind while doing this art. This artwork takes us automatically to flow state, and for me, flow state in this modern world is not getting thoughts of picking up my phone and checking WhatsApp, Facebook, social media. It's just me and my art. Do comment in the comments below that what takes you to your flow state. Whatever is your hobby, just let me know. I would also like to know what are your ways of relaxing and de-stressing. This painting has lots of minute detailing which we need to keep in mind. Just go step by step and you will be able to make one. Now I am giving the light effect, the shining effect with the white. Wherever I feel that I need to give that reflecting light effect, I am applying white. You will see that gradually this picture will be turning into a beautiful 3D goldfish, and you won't believe that it's the magic of just simple dots. So just enjoy the process, enjoy the dots and play with colors. You will be lost. You'll go to some different world, forgetting all the worries, all the tensions around you. For me though, it is like me and my world, जहाँ कोई भी नहीं होता है. It's sort of pure meditation for me to recharge and rejuvenate. Now I am taking teal blue color and light blue color to give the effect of water. And just see to it, guys, that your these dots are in waves form. Don't make them straight. So first make a wavy pattern and then fill up the dots accordingly. I forgot the fin part detailing, so just adding the detailing to the fins with red color. This detailings just add beauty to your picture. It gives life to the painting. Now just keep applying the dots. For water also, we have to apply this blue color and teal blue color alternately and make like this wavy patterns and cover the background. Also we need to cover the grasses. Now I am placing the colors of the shades of blue, darker and lighter, in wavy form. So you'll come to know how it will look once all this water area is completed. By this time I was so much lost in my art that I completely forgot that my storage was full. So this painting does not contain the waves and the grasses part. But I hope that technique is clear and you can go ahead and make it. If you like this step-by-step tutorial of pointillism, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone and tag us on Instagram stories. We will be happy to share your artwork. Hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful artwork. Until then, adieu all. Thank you. Bye-bye.